In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify a hosting or domain in Google Search Console. So if you're looking to ensure that your website is properly set up for indexing, you're in the right place. Let's get started with our quick guide to making sure all of your hard work on your website doesn't go unnoticed by search engines. First off, we'll begin by heading over to Hostinger. This is where your domain is hosted, and it's the source from which we'll be copying essential information about your domain that we'll need for verification. So log into your Hostinger account using your credentials. Once you're there, you'll want to navigate to the section where your domains are listed. It's important that you're already acquainted with your Hostinger dashboard, but if you're not, take some time to explore and find where your domains are located. It's usually straightforward and clearly labeled. When you're on the domain management page, look for the specific domain you want to verify. Click on it. This step is crucial because it directs you to where you need to grab the domain information that's required for the upcoming steps. On this page, you'll have access to various domain settings, but what we're particularly interested in is the domain name itself. Now, copy your domain. This is as simple as selecting the domain name and using the copy function on your computer or device. This action is vital because the exact domain name will need to be input into Google Search Console without any errors. Accuracy here ensures that the verification process will proceed smoothly without unnecessary hiccups. Next, we move on over to Google Search Console. Open up Google Search Console in your browser. If you haven't signed in, do so with your Google account credentials. Once you're in the dashboard, you'll want to locate the option to add a new property. Here you will see an option to enter your domain. This is where that copying action from earlier becomes handy. Go ahead and paste your Hostinger domain into the provided field. Make sure everything is entered correctly. It's important to capture everything exactly as it should be, including any prefix like www. Once you've pasted your domain, Google will guide you through the verification process. This typically involves a few steps to confirm that the domain is yours or that you have authorized access to it. You might be prompted to add a DNS record at Hostinger or use other verification methods that Google Search Console provides. Simply follow the instructions provided by Google and you'll be done in no time. Lastly, once you've successfully verified your domain, you're all set. This step ensures that Google can crawl and index your site, helping to improve your visibility on search engines over time. Remember, regular checks and optimizations are key to maintaining a healthy web presence. And that's it. Your domain is now verified with Google Search Console. I hope you found this guide helpful in getting your domain set up. If you have any questions or run into any challenges, feel free to reach out and we'd be happy to assist. Thanks for watching and see you next time.